What is going on, everybody? It's Mike. It is about 9:45 in the morning here on a Saturday. It is a blistering 9 degrees Fahrenheit out. So what are we doing? Well, we got our film equipment. We got a loaded up truck bed. We're going wheeling. Our friends over at Stubborn Off-Road are hosting a trip up Ruby, and so we're going to Ruby, and Teresa's coming today, and she doesn't like being on camera, and we're gonna make her drive the power wagon up Ruby today, which, if you recall, Ruby is where we first damaged the power wagon significantly. We slid down a hill and hit a tree head on. Insert that clip right there. Yeah, that was a bummer. Alrighty, we are on the trail, and we are taking the tail gunner position. Teresa is driving us today. This is her first time wheeling a trail, commanding Mongo. Okay, start. Back up just a hair. Okay, stop. You're gonna go up there, a little more speed. Okay. All right, so you may notice we've done a driver change out. And the reason we've done a driver change out is this trail, like always, is incredibly icy. And for the first time out, we probably thought maybe it wasn't a good idea to, you know, our 6-figure investment into YouTube, let Teresa, her first time out, send it up the icy hill. She was willing, but the risk versus reward was just not there for us. So we did the driver mod, and I'm actually kind of glad we did, because we got a guy sliding back down the hill here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kimosabi. Let me get out of the way here. Good thing we got Teresa mic'd up so you can hear all the same as me. I know all of you hear me in these videos and go, geez, what is wrong with that guy? Get him a CPAP. Listen, it's not the smoothest ride. This is not a Cadillac, it's a Power Wagon. Ain't that right, love?
Uh-huh.
Got to give them some variety. Shoot a little bit from this side, you know?
Mm-hmm. Except
right or left, love?
right.
Is that because it looks easier?
No, it's because it looks harder. I'm sorry, left. Because it looks harder.
All right, we'll go left because it looks harder. All right, we made it to Ruby Lake. First impressions.
Cold.
What are you talking about, cold? It's 16 degrees out. All right, so we're all chilling out. There's everybody over there. I'm secretly filming them. I hope none of you are in the witness protection program. We're making some Philly cheesesteaks here. They're almost ready. We get those whipped out. We'll get Teresa fed, and then we'll share the wealth. The pooches keep showing up. They can smell it. So I suffered the cold to make our Philly cheesesteaks, and now we are enjoying our Philly cheesesteaks, and they are delicious. And as you can see, everybody else is enjoying the Philly cheesesteaks too. I'm gonna go eat lunch now. here's the final verdict. The tree branch took off the lever, busted the lever off the chassis unlimited swing out. You can see it drug along here. It took out the flare. It drug up along the flare, increased all alongside of it, and dented the truck in. It came up here, kind of messed on the decal, bent in the bed there, bent in the cab there. All along the door is okay. I feel there's a little crease right there we got, which is unfortunate, and another little dent and a dent there. But that front tire hit it and it rolled up, and immediately heard it roll up. You can see it pressed real hard there. There's some dents there. And it drug along, dented in the corner of the cab here, which is a corner of the cab we haven't replaced before. And then dented in the bed there. And then, of course, now the bed is all misshapen. And all right, I guess we put AEV high clearance flares on it in 40s. What else is a fella gonna do?